Fama is a Latin term meaning common knowledge or public opinion. Since ancient times, the notion evolved to get in the 13th century a quasi-technical legal meaning in Roman-canonical law. It is a keystone of both types of criminal procedure, accusatorial and inquisitorial. Its first primary type, Fama of deeds, can initiate an ex officio criminal trial which shares similarities with the grand jury presentment in common law. The second type, Fama of persons, which equals to reputation, refers to a legal status. Fama assumes a probative value whose extent has been widely discussed by the 13th century jurists, mainly in northern Italian universities, in the context of the elaboration of a formal theory of evidence based upon a hierarchical evaluation. The loss of Fama, called infamia, is on the contrary a well-defined legal status in Roman and canon law.